See, who's it from? Who's it from?
See, it says for Mamie and Granddaddy.
Okay, open it up.
I don't know what it is.
What is it?
It's a bunch of rocks.
After
Who is
it was exactly it matched what was on Pinterest, even though
Yeah.
we talked later and it was like, oh no.
No, she loves them both. Yeah.
Okay.
Who is that?
That's awesome.
She-
Woot!
Are you excited for Scout to go meet Violet when you get home? All right.
Can you come show it to Granddaddy? I don't think he got a good chance to look at it for it.
Can you get over?
Go show it to Granddaddy.
Go show it to Granddaddy.
See it, honey?
You say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know Scout?
Yeah. Scout is my best.
And Scout has all kinds of books.
Puffy
Oh,
coat.
he's a puppy. Wow.